Today's class is an express 20-minute Power Pilates class, perfect for when you're short on time but still want to sweat it out. So when you're ready, roll out your mat and let's begin.
Good morning, friends. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a new vlog. If you do not know me, my name is Sangilele Jensen. I am originally from South Africa, but I live in the United States. If you're new here, please introduce yourself. Tell me where you're watching from. And please, guys, I never asked this, but please subscribe, please like the videos, please comment. But yeah, guys, I had a beautiful morning. The time goes by so quickly. It's already 10 to 12. The Pilates that I just did were really hard. I chose to do Pilates because it's strengthening and it's excuse me, I feel like it's stretching at the same time. I feel very tight, like my muscles feel so tight and stiff. And also I feel so heavy, and yeah, I need to do something about that. My throat has been bothering me again. It started, when did it start? I think last week. Today is Tuesday, by the way. So I just made myself a vitamin C smoothie. And it's actually really, really good, guys. You need to try this. I'm on call. I have a 4-day block. Started my block yesterday. Yesterday I had airport standby from 7 a.m. until 12 p.m. and then I came back home. And today's my day 2. They didn't call me today. My on-call ends at 2 p.m. so I don't think they're gonna call me. They have 8 more minutes to call me, and if I don't get called in the next 8 minutes, it means I'm not working today. Then tomorrow will be day 3, and then there's a few unboxings that I want to do. I also have like new items for the house. I want to clean, I think it is clean, but I'm gonna like just clean it again, our guest toilet down here. And then there's a few paintings that I want to put up, and I want to take a nice warm bath today and just relax. I don't know if I'm going to go to the mall. I'm supposed to go to the mall with Zach's mom, but she didn't really confirm. Let me start working while I'm having my smoothie. I'm going to put up a mirror, and then after putting up the mirror, we're going to go into the guest bathroom. This is the mirror that I got. I actually got this at TJ Maxx, and the original price was $85, and I only got it for $59. I've been wanting a big mirror for down here, and it's quite long. Let me show you guys where I want to put it. So guys, I want to put this mirror up here because I feel like it is so nice it will be nice for us to like be able to look at ourselves down here before we head out. So let us quickly do that. So guys, I've had this calendar for a while. I want to put it up here so it can be more visible. Right there. Currently does not have a hook on it. I'm gonna add one and then hang it. Okay guys, so Alexa, pause. I don't know if you guys remember these paintings. Two of them were on my mantle and then I have one in here. So I was thinking that I should put these up here. I don't know what you guys think of this vision. Like put them, like all three of them going up there, or either I can put one this side and then the other one on this side. So there's like three of them. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like I don't know if I should put up these paintings or if I should change the paintings completely. Okay, I think you guys can see properly now. So put them in here. I hope you guys can see that. But I don't know. A part of me is also thinking of just like getting rid of all three of these paintings because I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like these paintings anymore. Or if I should put them going up here. 1, 2, 3 up, or like that, or just get rid of them and then get a totally new painting, like a big painting that's gonna go back here. I'm not gonna put them up right now because I'm really unsure about these. Please let me know what you guys think, guys. Please advise me because I don't know. Like I feel like this was cute like 3 years ago. This kind of painting was cute 3 years ago. I don't know now. You guys know when we had the pillows that had this, I'll put a picture up here of the pillows if you guys don't know it. But I just think that style was in, and now it's just like, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Guys, the bath was so good. I was literally falling asleep in the bathtub. Zach he just left again. He came home after work and he left. He went to the gym. I wanted to do my lashes, but I'm so exhausted. So I think I'm just gonna do my lashes tomorrow if I don't get called for work. If not tomorrow, I'll probably do it sometime this week. And then I also got a new wig. I'll unbox it when I'm doing my lashes as well. Right now, I quickly want to cook. I'm making a very simple dinner. I'm making pap with boerewors. I'm sure you guys have seen the boerewors. I get it from a butchery here in Portland. It's actually called the South African boerewors. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you guys have probably seen this. So I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna make pap as well. Okay, let's cook, guys. How is it?
Very good. 10 out of 10. my goodness. Good morning, guys. We're officially in Miami. Miami, baby. I love this city so much. Tell me why I'm up. I wish I could still be sleeping. The time here, though. Oh, it's 10 to 10. It's 10 to 10. And in Portland, it's still 10 to 7. So Miami is 3 hours ahead. So practically, I usually wake up at like between 7 and 8 a.m. Probably more towards 8 a.m. at home. So I should be sleeping right now, but I have to wake up because I have an appointment. I have a friend that lives here in Miami. Oh my gosh, I am yawning so much. Let me wake up. Let me wake up and get ready, and then I'll speak to you guys when I'm awake, because no, Sana, nothing is cute. I'll speak to you guys in a few minutes. Of the goodness of God.
Oh, let me switch this off before I get copyrighted, child. We don't want that. Guys, I'm actually in a hurry right now. My friend is coming to pick me up. She has a spa here in Miami. So she's gonna do my facial, or I'm gonna do my facial at her spa. I'm not sure if she's the one. I think her friend is gonna do my facial, and then she's gonna do my makeup, and she's on her way right now. I am so excited. I'm just getting ready now. I'm in a rush because my Bible study today took quite a long time. So guys, remember the hair that I was unboxing before my trip? This is it. I don't know why this closure right here is like deep. I don't know how I feel about this hair yet. This is day 2 of wearing it, and I am not sure, to be honest. But we'll see when I have my makeup on and everything. You know the Arabic perfumes that are trending right now? This smells so good. if you can get your hands on this, I would really advise you to do that. Like, it smells so good. It's not overwhelming. And I need earrings. I need earrings. I feel like the smell is like not overwhelming because I think most of those Arabic perfumes are very strong, but I really like this one. If you get a chance to get yourself one, I would advise you do that. Oh, these earrings. No, they're too big. Too big. Let me just wear the earrings I was wearing yesterday. I think my friend is running late because she was supposed to be here 5 minutes ago. Wait, what's the time? Oh no, she was supposed to be here 12 minutes ago. But, you know, African time, because I'm also not ready. I had a feeling she was going to be late. Okay, these are better. I actually wish I ironed my dress because I was going to look really cute in that dress. Then I have this purse. Hi, girl. Okay, guys.
So pretty, thank you.
Okay,
Oh wow, this is beautiful.
so we're gonna start with the facial for the beautiful camera lady here. Okay, let me set up for a facial. Oh, I forgot to ask her what facial. We're gonna just do a basic one.
Yeah.
And
Yo, this is so pretty. I'm so proud of you.
thank you, babies. So here we have Miami Skin Health. Say hello. And then we go this side. We have if you want to get your Botox done, your fillers right over here. And this side we have waxing. If you want to get waxing done. And then this side we have lashes and laser. So if you want to get laser lashes in here.
I actually need to get a laser on my chin, yes?
That's good. You should come here. And come fly to Miami all the time to get your lasers done. And then here we have
this is
acne, facials, recovering your skin. If you want to rejuvenate your skin. And then we also do brows that side.
Okay.
And then here is the kitchen, and then we have a vision board where we have visions. We write here, Miami Skin Health Vision Board. And we write about our goals and everything that we want to on here. And then this side, we have just a nice relaxing, if you want to take some time and educate yourself or do some work online, you can have a seat here. And then this side is the kitchen where you can have some coffee. Would you like some coffee? You can have coffee here. We've got some water and some essentials in here. And that is it. Make sure you visit us.
Visit Miami Skin Health.
Yes.
You and me, we're poets.
haul. Just quickly want to show you guys the makeup. Let me zoom in. Listen, Chantal beat my face. I love the eyeshadow. I actually just love everything, and she was rushing towards the end because she had to pick up her son and also had to come back to the hotel. I was supposed to shoot another video, but I don't have time because we're literally getting picked up in like an hour, and I forgot to have breakfast this morning. So I'm starving, and I am having my smoothie right now, and I'm just gonna get ready for work. And I want to take my time when I'm getting ready for work. I don't want to like rush because I'm about to go work like a 5 to 6 hour flight. I'm only gonna get home at like probably 1 a.m. this morning, so I want to kind of rest and just get ready for work. I might be closing this vlog right here because tomorrow I'm just gonna work out with Zach's mom, and then Saturday we're probably gonna go climbing. Oh, I think Saturday I am gonna start a new vlog actually, because we want to remove our Christmas decoration. I know, what's the date today? It's the 23rd of, oh, actually we're gonna have exactly 1 month with our Christmas decoration because I did it on the 24th of December. So we're gonna remove our Christmas decoration, and then I think I'm gonna start a new vlog. If you have not liked this video, please like the video. Please don't forget to comment, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I've gained so many subscribers recently. Thank you guys so much, and welcome to this family. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys stay. Bye for now. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed.